All right, so first one we're going to do, kill my gravy. Okay, first one we're going to do is we're actually going to solve these graphically. So the thing is with solving them graphically, you are going to draw a graph of each equation on the set of axes and then find the point of intersection. Okay, so that's what you're doing when you do it graphically. It will work graphically all the time, but you won't always get nice numbers. Okay? Graphically will work with the most basic type ones, but it won't always work neatly. So you'll get like decimals and halfway between numbers and stuff like that. So it can be a little messy. Okay? Have a quick look over that page. Yep, there it is. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to plot these two. The graph, the actual coordinates are on the other page. So we'll just have a look at this. How do you guys want to start? Levi, how do you want to start? Well, we've got the first equation. So I'll have a look at this one. Oh, that's not right. Let's go. 2x minus 3y equals 6. So how are you going to graph that? Like if you've got your thing there, how are you going to graph it? What do we need to graph any lines? We need numbers. What do we need? Dots. What do we call those dots? Points. How many points do we need? Okay. When anything like this, if you're not given a point, there's 2 points that are relatively easy to find. What two do you reckon they are? 0. You're very, very close. What do we call it when it's x equals 0? Because that's x, that's y. What do we call it when x equals 0? Y-intercept. Cool. So we want to find where it crosses the y-axis. So that's the y-intercept. And what's the other one that might be easy to find? What 0? So you want, well, we've already got when x equals 0, it's the y-intercept. What's another one that looks as though it might be easy to find? Excellent. Well done. The x-intercept. And we know the x-intercept is when y equals 0. Cool? Everyone happy with that? Okay. With what? Sorry? Yeah, when y equals 0, we can find out what x equals, and we'll be able to plot it on this line. No. If I subbed in the number 1, I'd have 2 times 1 is 2, so I'd take it off both sides, so I'd have minus 3y equals 4. And that's not going to, y is not going to equal 0. Well, it doesn't at the moment. We can make it equal 0. Kirby. When y equals 0, we'll find an x value, won't we? We just say, okay, let's let y equal 0. And we'll find an x value. Cool? And we want this one, so we can say, well, let's let x equal 0. And then we'll find a y value. Okay? So let's have a look. I'll just get rid of this. And we've got, okay, 2x minus 3y equals 6. So let's find the y-intercept. And the y-intercept is where x equals 0, right? Because that's where it crosses the axis. Okay, so let's go. 2 times 0 minus 3y equals 6. What's 2 zeros? Okay, so we've got minus 3y equals 6. What's y equal? Minus, close. Now you're just guessing. Well, what are you going to do to get rid of the minus 3? You divide both sides by minus 3. So what's 6 divided by minus 3? Should be able to do those in your head. Yeah, it's always algebra. Okay, so that point is what? What's our ordered pair going to be? What's our point? What's our y-intercept going to be? Sorry? 0 minus 2. Okay, that's that bit there. Okay. Levi, why did we do that? Because it's all well and good that you're writing stuff down, but you need to know why we're doing it. Yeah. Why do we do it? Yeah, x equals 0. So what does that give us? X equals 0. What does that point mean? What is it? I just said it a few times. Sorry? Not much. Come on. Why did I do it? What intercept? What intercept is it? Sorry? The y-intercept. So we've now found the y-intercept for that one. Let's find the x-intercept now. So what are we going to substitute in to find the x-intercept? Well, we're going to do this one. We're going to do the x-intercept. What? No, we're not doing that one yet. We're still doing the first one. We've got this is the y-intercept. Now what do we need? How many points do you need to make a line, guys? So, what are we trying to find now? I just told you. Right, what's it called? Which intercept? The x-intercept, cool. So we're trying to find the x-intercept now. Cool? So what do we have to sub in to find the x-intercept? Right, excellent. We have to make y equals 0 because otherwise it's not the x-intercept. The only time it intercepts the x-axis is when y equals 0. That's what I drew on the board earlier. Okay? Y-intercept is when x equals 0. X-intercept is when y equals 0. And this is how we make it equal 0. We say, okay, it's 0. And then we work out what x is. So we've got 2x minus 0 equals 6. So what's x equal? X equals 3. So what's my ordered pair? What's my coordinate? Because we substituted in 0, 2x equals 6, divide both sides by 2, x equals 3. Close. Oh, so close. Exactly right. That's how close it was. Everyone happy with that? All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change pages. This one's going to be in a couple of parts, this question. I'm going to now change the page, and we're going to plot these 2 points and draw this line. So we're just doing that line. Everyone happy with that? Yeah? Okay. So let's go to the next page where the thing is, and we can plot it. So we've got 0, minus 2, and 3, 0. Okay? So where's our first point? So we go across to 0 and down to minus 2. Oh, God, that's out of alignment. So 0, minus 2. Then where's the other point? 3, 0, which is there. Now you'll notice both of them are on the axes. That's why we did it. It's nice and easy. We have an x value, we have a y value, we just substitute in and find them. Then we can draw this line on there. Now remember, it is a line. It goes on forever. Everyone happy with that? That's our first line. Last thing you got to do, write the equation next to it. What is it? Pretty sure it was 2x minus 3y equals 6. All happy with that? Sure? Okay, that's the first one.